In the day, in the night, say it right, say it all. You either got it or you don't. You either stand or you fall. When your will is broken, when it slips from your hand, when there's no time for joking, there's a hole in the plan. Oh, you told me nothing at all to me. No, you told me nothing at all to me. But you got what it takes to set me free. Oh, you could.
One taste of her magic, you might lose your mind. Not your breaking egos, I like to call her Kalima. She's a warrior, goddess breaking that's like segment. She knows what you're gonna do, you ain't even do it yet. She's a walking crystal ball and a breathing tarot deck. Voodoo Queen Marie LaVou, she demands her respect. Every breath is divination, you were born to rule a nation. High priestess on the scene, baby, show 'em what it means to work your magic, baby. Crystal up, candles lit, crystal up, spirit moving through your body, work your magic, baby. Let me see you work your magic, brother. Altered up, orally, ancestors in this thing, work your magic, brother. No need for smoke. They hate to see it, they scared of your past. Work your magic, baby.
You talk like you own my name. I stayed quiet, took the blame. I've been too far, I stayed too long. You said I'd break, you were wrong. I said I chose myself. This time I'm still standing. I'm still standing. You can walk away. I'm still standing.
She looked like a good decision and a bad one at the same damn time. And I like it. Pure madness. But it's beautiful.
Are you crying? Is it raining? What's coming down? If you ain't in love by now,
Hey,
you
y'all.
think you'll never be.
No.
I know we ain't 17. What we said we might still mean. If you ain't in love by now.
If you drink more than you used to, 'cause as lonely you can't drown.
You're feeling just like I do. Just the thought I'm kicking round. If you ain't